Here's your latest Kansas City forecast from meteorologist Wes Peery.
How far do you all think we are from the Sahara Desert? I'll give you choices here. 5, 6, or 7,000 miles.
C.
C, 7. What do you got?
I'm going to split difference. I'm going to go 6.
Okay, it is 5,000 miles.
Oh.
It's 4,700 miles across the ocean, and that
See, that's why I call you professor. You always try to trick us.
Well, I did look it up. I don't want to put it in the middle because I feel like people just immediately go to the middle. So, all right, 4,700 miles away from the Sahara Desert. The dust has come up to the Gulf of Mexico, and it may be in the Kansas City metro as we get to tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. And so that means when we're getting thunderstorms on Friday evening, it may have dust from another part of the world in it falling on your car. So if you have a dirty car after the rain is done tomorrow, now you know why. It still feels like about 100 degrees. Speaking of a desert, about 100 degrees. St. Joseph, 108 in Maryville, 106 in Ottawa, 95 in Marshall, and 99 up at KCI, where it's actually 92 degrees. The wind is blowing at 15 miles per hour. We'll at least have had some of a cooling effect today from the wind. We have tornado watches, severe thunderstorm watches, all in effect. Look at the steering winds here. That's the wind streamlines you're seeing here. Those storms will get pushed through the Kansas City area, western Missouri, eastern Kansas, as we go into tonight. Very similar setup to what we've seen every single day this week pretty much. It's a good chance for thunderstorms in northwest Missouri, northeastern Kansas, and really the northern parts of each state. But do those thunderstorms survive the trek to the Kansas City metro is a question. And we could get an isolated shower or thunderstorm in here before 7 a.m., kind of like what we did this morning. But the chances of them being severe are pretty low the way it looks right now. However, it's a situation. We just have to look them in. We'll watch them get closer to us, and then for the 10 o'clock news, we'll be able to see we'll get a clearer picture, rather, of what things are looking like for the overnight period. For the time being, though, for the Kansas City metro, slight chance of rain overnight, northern Missouri, northern Kansas. You have about a double this chance of rain. Heat indices in the meantime stay close to 95 to 100 through 7 o'clock, near 90 for 9 o'clock, and then into the middle 70s for tomorrow morning, down to about 73 tomorrow morning, and pretty much just as hot as today. Lower to middle 90s for high temperatures. However, the high will depend upon when the rain begins. If there are thunderstorms tomorrow morning, that could be cooler. That could mess with our rain chances overall. But there is the possibility for some pop-up showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. That could then lead to more thunderstorms in the evening. I think regardless of the afternoon pop-up activity, we have a good chance for thunderstorms in the evening. And both of those chances of thunderstorms could be severe. There's a level 2 out of 5 threat from Milan through Chillicothe, Kansas City, into Lawrence for mainly damaging wind gusts. And it's pretty low, but it's there. A threat for a brief tornado, mainly across northern Missouri. The green area is a level 1 out of 5 threat for severe weather. The time frame, it's a pretty big window. It's 2 to 11 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. This is all happening just ahead of a cold front, which doesn't actually make it here until late Friday night into Saturday morning. You can see 6 o'clock, this could be the formation of a big line of thunderstorms that blows through the entire area, so that's why it's a damaging wind gust threat. Slight chance for a shower to hang out into Saturday and Sunday, but it should feel much more comfortable. Middle 80s for Saturday, back up near 90 for Sunday and Monday, and just a couple of days in the 90s for Monday and Tuesday. And then an even stronger cold front, which means we have to watch for more strong thunderstorms in the middle part of next week, but it may only be in the 70s for highs there for next Thursday.
That's what I need. I got a ton of yard work to do, but it's too hot right now,
All right.
brother.
Let's think about Kevin.
Next
okay?
Thursday.
Right. My backyard is saying do something, but these temperatures are saying.
I get it. I do.
Next Thursday, everybody get up early, mow your lawn.
All right. There you go. We'll be right back.